Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce, and this video is a brief update about BioFix. BioFix is absolutely on fire. It's selling like hotcakes, and that's the reason for this video. This video is about giving you a heads up that you might want to become an affiliate with BioFix. BioFix is a weight loss product. It is a weight loss supplement. It's been having great success. It's one of those supplements that you can that will help you to lose weight without dieting and without exercise. BioFix is paying very well. The product itself is having excellent success. It actually works on gut health. It sort of works on probiotics as a means to lose weight, and probiotics has been scientifically proven to help with weight loss. I don't claim to be an expert, but I do have about 20 years or more in the weight loss industry, and I've done a tremendous amount of research. Part of the research was to scare myself into not gaining the weight back. But I wanted to share with you that this is one of those products that can help sell itself, and it's a product that people actually want, people need, or people are looking for. There are other products as well, such as BioTox, Resurge, Java Burn, Okinawa breakfast drink, breakfast tonic, and so on. The other part of this heads up is that I'm in the process of creating a website, a free website with RenderForce, and the website is built around these products that can help people to lose weight without dieting and without exercise. Based on my research, this is a gold mine. This is an absolute gold mine. So that's the reason for this update, was to share that with you. If you're not an affiliate with some of these products, if you're not marketing these products, I believe you can find all of these products on ClickBank. If you're not a member of ClickBank, ClickBank is free to join. Once you join, type in BioFix, type in Resurge and so on in the search box, and that will take you to that particular product. And then you can go to the sales page, and then there'll be a link to the sales page so you can find out more about the product, and there'll also be a link to the affiliate page, which will help you as far as the tools and marketing and so on. By the way, I do want to mention that BioFix Gravity at the time of this video is $252, and that is just absolutely through the roof. And that, again, another reason why I'm sharing this with you is because this product is flying off the shelves, literally flying off the shelves. So again, I wanted to give you a heads up. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, I invite you to subscribe and ring the bell, and that way I can let you know whenever I publish a new video. I'll be coming out with another video about this website. So then you can see what I've done, you can see how I've done it, and you'll be able to do the same in half the time with 1/10 of the effort. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I do want to thank you for watching. I am rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success. I will see you in the next video.